Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s minus number 1. So we have bs plus c over s squared plus 6s plus 13. Because we have the power number 2 in here, so on numerator, that should reduce about number 2 minus number 1. And that's why we have s. And this one will reduce the power from number 1 to number 0. Just similar for this one. Now, we can do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about this one. So capital 8 multiplied by this one. So this one, it is missing about s minus number 1. So this one multiplied by this one. Now, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s where we have a and b. About s, we have number 6 with a. So we have 6, 8, negative number 1, and positive c. About the numbers, we have 13, 8, and negative c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About s where we have number 2, so a plus b equals to number 2. About this one equals to number 21. About this one equals to 37. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we have 8 equals to number 3, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 2. So we put A, B, C gone here. So the integration of this one, we have number 3 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 1. Now we need to consider about this one. So number 13, that is about number 9 plus number 4. So this one, that is about identities. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 3 equals to number 2 tan t. Because we have s, So I will put number 3 go to the right. Next, we can do about first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dx. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about secant of t square. So I will put this one gone here. S we change for this one. Ds we change for this one. This one we have number 4 tan t square. Number 4 we can do it about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify this one, divide by this one. So we have 1 over 2. Now the negative will change the sign of this one. And we have positive number 3 minus number 2 tan t. So number 3 plus number 2 we have number 5. And now number 5 divided by number 2. Number 2 divided by number 2. So we have like this. So this one that is about sine t over cosine t. So the integration of this one we have 5 over 2t. The integration of this one with the negative we have ln of the absolute value of cosine t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 2. And now we need to find the value of t that is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.